Hey guys, PMHK here obviously, and in this video we're going to be looking at the Hisense Infinity H40. Now we're going to do an unboxing. I'm going to obviously show you guys what's inside this guy. This is an Android phone. I know in this channel we are mainly or most of the time speaking about iOS devices, and I've actually also seen in the comments that you guys want to start seeing more Android-based devices, since those devices are actually quite these devices are actually quite much affordable as compared to Apple devices. But yeah, we're going to be looking at the Hisense H40 Infinity H40. Now in the box you have the Hisense written there, then they say Capture Magic there, Infinity H40, same thing on the sides. And at the back, obviously, you have some of the specification of this device itself. So you're expected to see a 6.5 infinity display. You have 4 cameras in this device at the back, and you have one front-facing camera at 25 megapixels. Now the cameras behind this device are as follow. There is a 48 megapixel, an 8, a 12, an 8 and 2 megapixel, two 2 megapixel camera at the back. You will get this device. This option that I have here with me is a 4 gig RAM option with 128 gig storage inside. Now the battery of this guy is gonna come at a whopping 4,500 milliamp hour. And if this phone is properly optimized, this is actually a phone that's going to last you maybe a day and a half of juice. So let's unbox and see what comes inside the box itself. Now this is a review unit that I received. I'm probably gonna stay with this phone for the next week or two. And yeah, so this is basically my first impression and unboxing of the device, since I think in 2 weeks can really tell a lot about a device in 2 weeks or in a week. Sometimes, yeah, but let's go with what we have. So inside the box you have Hisense Infinity H40 in its glory. This device is a huge 6.5-inch screen. It's actually quite big. So we're gonna put the device on the side as customary and check what else comes in the box. Obviously, you have actually a case for you to rock with your devices. Most of these Android phones actually include a case. You have a SIM eject tool right there. We're gonna put that back, and you have some documents inside. This is a quick start guide inside, which we don't need. And then you have a USB to USB-C, USB-A to USB-C cable. And then you have the power brick, which is capable of, so this is an 18 watts power brick. All right, let's put that on the side and see the phone itself. I'm really not sure which color this one is. Hopefully it states on the phone itself. Okay, this is a navy blue color. I actually like it. Actually changes color a little bit the more you actually kind of make a reflection on different sides of the phone. All right, so let's remove the front plastic. We don't need that guy. And remove the black plastic, the back plastic. And yeah, so this is a very big device. Just comparison with my current phone, the iPhone SE 2020. As you can see, it actually swallows it up fully. All right, it's just a little bit tall and also a little bit thicker than the iPhone SE. Let's check an Android device that I have here. This is an old Nexus phone, and it's even actually taller than the Nexus device itself. All right, so in terms of port, buttons, and I/O in general, you have the USB-C port in the back. This guy still comes with a 3.5 millimeter jack for your headphone. You have the microphone input there. You have one speaker grill on the side. You have another mic on top, and you're gonna be getting a fingerprint touch at the back, or fingerprint sensor at the back. And here are the cameras that this guy comes with. As you guys can see, there's 4 here behind with the LED flash. I'm assuming that the middle one is going to be your 48 megapixel camera, and in front you have this Infinity O camera here, which I actually prefer the name hole punch camera, because it's a hole punched in the screen itself. So let's see if this guy has juice for us to power it on and get it going. All right, there's power on it. I'm gonna do the initial setup and I am going to come back to you guys. So I have the phone all set up and ready right here in front of me. I've already signed in to my Wi-Fi, and as you can see, I'm in the front screen right now and it's already getting notifications. On the side you have your Google Now page. You can also evoke Google normally. Hey Google, and Google pops up. This guy is running Android 10 and you should actually be expecting all the features that come with the actual software itself. All right, so I've also set up the fingerprint scanner that comes at the back. Let's just maybe test the speed. It's locked. Put my finger and it's unlocked. It's actually quite fast. Put my finger and it's unlocked. Wow, it's quite snappy. I like it. It also comes with face recognition, but it even says that face recognition is going to offer you less security than if you have the other type of security that this phone has. So it's your face recognition, and it's actually an optical face recognition. I'm not sure if that's what you call it, but it basically just scans a picture of your face and it actually warns you that somebody else might be able to unlock the phone with their face. Now the cameras at the back, let's try and see the quality of the cameras itself. All right, so we are inside the camera. Let's first try the selfie. Better than I was expecting it was going to be. So let's take a selfie. Bang. All right, let's allow that, and that's me in all my glory. Look at that beautiful hair. Now to try the back camera, let's grab our Dove dummy. Wow, even the autofocus is quite fast. It actually portrays the colors really well. I see the blue live and the blue on the actual display. It's actually basically the same. So let's take a picture of that close by. Bam. And you can get also 2x zoom, 1, 2, video recording. Okay, let's see what settings it actually has on video recording. So you have a 1080p 720. It's okay, you can change between 1080 and 720 recording. So we're gonna keep it at 1080. So one of the other selling point of this device is the display itself. It's actually quite bright. This guy comes with a full HD display at 2340 by 1080, has a PPI of 395. So let's try that out by playing one of PMHK latest videos. If you haven't watched one of the latest video, make sure you go and you check it out. And that's me in full screen. Let's see if we can change the actual resolution. You have the maximum there, 1080. Now, if you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're an OG, welcome back. I make tech videos. All right, that's me in all my glory. I actually like this display. It's huge. The only downside of the display itself is this. So as you guys can see, it kind of has a big chin there. But as you can see there on top, we have the earpiece there. It's actually really thin, but otherwise this device is actually nice. I like the build quality. It's not made out of cheap plastic. So this is gonna be it for this video. Make sure you let me know down in the comments what do you guys think about the Hisense H40 with his enormous 6.5-inch display, Full HD display. And do make sure, if you're not already subscribed to the channel, you go and you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you click the notification bells button so you can get notified whenever I upload a video. And I am going to catch you guys down in the comments or on my next video. Peace.